Did you know your body whispers warnings long before a major mobility problem ever arrives? Not with dramatic symptoms, not with sudden breakdowns, but with tiny, almost invisible clues. Maybe it's that small stab of discomfort when you rise from the sofa. Maybe it's that brief pause you take before stepping off a curb. Maybe it's the quiet heaviness in your shoulders when you reach up to grab something from a cabinet. Most people over 60 assume these moments are just age catching up, but that belief is one of the biggest dangers of later life. Because these little whispers, they are early alarms, signs that your strength, your balance, and your joint protection system are weakening faster than you think. And here's the truth. Your body does not decline overnight. It declines quietly, slowly, stealthily. And if you ignore these signs, the decline speeds up. But if you respond to them, even gently, your body rebounds faster than you ever imagined. Today, I'm going to show you how 3 simple exercises done for 10 minutes a day can help rebuild strength, restore movement, protect your joints, and give you back the independence that so many people lose after midlife. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also give you a bonus cognitive challenge that keeps your brain sharp while your body grows stronger. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Because mobility is not just physical, it's a doorway to independence, confidence, and dignity. After 6, your body begins losing muscle at a rate of about 3% per year, even if you still walk, stay active, or feel fine. 3% sounds tiny, but over 5 years, that's a major drop in strength. What does this decline look like? You start pushing off your thighs when standing up. You lean forward to build momentum. Your steps become shorter, stiffer, slower. You hesitate before turning or stepping up. Your knees wobble slightly when changing direction. You need the railing more often. You're more tired after basic chores. Most people shrug and say, it's normal. It's age. It's nothing. But it is something. These aren't random changes, they are early warning signs. Your muscles weaken first. And when muscles weaken, joints start taking loads they were never designed to carry. That's why people feel sudden knee pain, back stiffness, shoulder discomfort, difficulty rising from low chairs, fear of falling, unsteady steps. The joints aren't failing, the muscles protecting them are disappearing. If you strengthen those muscles safely, gently, correctly, everything else begins to change. Your posture lifts. Your balance improves. Your steps stabilize. Your confidence returns. Your joints hurt less. Your energy rises. Your body is not giving up on you. It is asking you for help. And that brings us to the first essential exercise. Exercise number 1. The sit to stand, the independence builder. Think for a moment about how many times you stand up each day. Getting out of bed, off the couch, from the toilet, out of the car, off a dining chair. Every one of those real-life motions depends on your thighs, hips, core, and glutes. When these muscles weaken, you start using momentum instead of strength. You rock forward. You swing your torso. You pray your knees don't buckle. This movement becomes stressful, painful, and sometimes scary. But when your muscles work the way they're supposed to, the movement feels effortless, powerful even. A well-documented 8-week study on older adults showed that practicing this motion consistently improved leg strength by nearly 30%, reduced knee pain, improved balance, boosted confidence in daily tasks. That's why physical therapists call this movement the independence test. How to do it perfectly: sit toward the front edge of a sturdy chair. Keep your feet flat, slightly behind your knees. Lean forward gently from the hips, not the back. Press your feet firmly into the floor. Exhale as you stand up slowly, using muscle power, not momentum. Stand tall. Squeeze your glutes lightly. Sit back down in slow motion. The lowering phase is where most of the strength is built. Slow equals strong. Rushing equals injury risk. If you need assistance, add a cushion to raise the chair. Use armrests lightly. Place your hands on your thighs for support. With time, reduce the assistance step by step. Avoid these common mistakes: knees collapsing inward, rounding the back, rushing the movement, holding your breath. Your body deserves better than rushed. Sloppy movements. Give it control and quality. It will reward you with strength and stability. Before we move to the second exercise, imagine your daily life for a moment. Pushing a heavy door, reaching forward, lifting a pot, carrying groceries, steadying yourself when you slip, pushing yourself up from the floor, supporting your balance. When turning, all of this requires upper body strength. But after 60, most people unintentionally skip upper body training, focusing only on legs, knees, or balance. And the result? Their posture collapses. Their shoulders round forward. Their neck strains. Their lungs compress. Their balance worsens. Their reaction speed slows. Weak upper body equals poor posture equals higher fall risk. A strong upper body keeps the entire skeleton aligned and stable. And that leads us to the second essential exercise. Exercise 2. The wall push-up, the posture and power builder. Many older adults avoid push-ups because they picture the hard floor version. But the wall push-up is gentle, completely safe, and unbelievably effective. It strengthens chest, shoulders, arms, upper back, deep core muscles. It improves posture, reduces shoulder pain, and teaches your body proper movement mechanics. Physical therapy research shows that wall push-ups help older adults lift objects more easily, reach overhead without discomfort, and maintain better posture. How to set it up: stand, facing a wall at arm's length. Place your palms at shoulder height, slightly wider than your shoulders. Step back until your body forms a gentle angle. Keep your body in a straight line, head to heels. Gently tighten your core. Inhale as you lower your chest toward the wall. Exhale as you push back. Up smooth, controlled, stable. Proper form should feel like chest muscles engaging, shoulders working gently, core stabilizing the spine, movement feeling smooth. If it feels too hard, step closer to the wall. Widen your stance. Reduce range of motion if you want more challenge later. Step farther back. Use a countertop. Use a sturdy table. Eventually try gentle knee push-ups. Grows slowly, but it grows surely when you feed it. Consistency. This exercise alone improves daily life dramatically. Your strength is essential, but so is your heart. So is your balance. So is your brain-to-body reaction time. After 60, all three decline together, unless you train them, and the decline is subtle. Slightly heavier breathing on slopes, catching your balance more often, relying on railings, feeling slower when changing directions. These are not weaknesses. These are warnings. And the third exercise addresses all three at once. Exercise. #3. The standing march with arm swings. The longevity reset. This movement is gentle, safe, and surprisingly powerful. It activates legs, hips, core, shoulders, heart, brain. It improves circulation, coordination, reaction time, balance, walking speed, energy levels. Research shows marching movements dramatically lower fall risk because they strengthen single leg stability, hip control, and rhythmic movement patterns. How to do it: stand tall with feet hip width apart, roll shoulders back, lift your chest, engage your core lightly, lift your right knee while swinging your left arm forward, lower with control, lift your left knee while swinging your right arm. Continue in smooth, steady rhythm. This cross-body coordination taps into neural pathways that keep your brain sharp and your gait stable. Make it easier: lift knees only a few inches, remove arm swings, hold a chair lightly, make it harder. Lift knees higher, increase pace, exaggerate, arm swings, add light hand weights. 3 to 5 minutes can reset your entire body. These 3 exercises transform daily life. By practicing these 3 essential movements, you build strength, you push yourself up effortlessly, balance, you walk with confidence, posture, you look taller, breathe better, feel lighter, coordination, you move with control instead of fear, joint protection, your muscles carry your weight the way nature intended, independence, you rely on yourself, not furniture, railings, or assistance. Every rep is a vote for the kind of life you want to live. Every minute of effort is an investment in your future self. While you march, try this. Count backward from 40 by 2s, or say the alphabet but skip every second letter, or name 5 fruits beginning with different letters. This strengthens the brain's dual task system, the exact skill needed to prevent falls. If you're still here, you're doing something powerful for your body. Your body is not done. Your strength is not gone. Your balance is not lost. Your mobility is not over. Everything can improve. Everything can rebuild. Everything can return if you give it a little time and the right movements. Type "I'm rebuilding" in the comments to let me know you're still with me. And remember, independence is not a privilege of the young. It is a skill that can be rebuilt at any age, starting today.